Welcome to this guided meditation. This meditation is designed to improve your self-love and compassion. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Then slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax and your mind to become more calm. Now imagine a gentle stream of warm water beginning to flow from the top of your head. This water is pure, soothing, and full of healing energy. As it flows over you, it cleanses and purifies each part of your body, starting with your energy centers, your chakras. Feel the warm water flowing over the crown chakra at the top of your head. The chakra represents your connection to the divine and higher self. As the water purifies this area, think of something you love about your spiritual and intellectual self. It could be your wisdom, your ability to understand and connect with the world, or your deep sense of peace and purpose. Take a moment to appreciate this aspect of yourself. Now let the warm water flow down to your third eye chakra, located in the middle of your forehead. The chakra is the center of intuition and insight. As the water cleanses this area, think of something you love about your intuition and dreams. Maybe it's your creativity, your foresight, or your inner knowing. Take a moment to honor this part of you. Next, feel the warm water move down to your throat chakra. This chakra is associated with communication and self-expression. As the water purifies this area, think of something you love about the way you communicate. It could be your honesty, your ability to listen, or your unique voice. Take a moment to appreciate this quality in yourself. Allow the warm water to flow down to your heart chakra, located in the center of your chest. The chakra represents love, compassion, and kindness. As the water cleanses this area, think of something you love about your capacity for love and compassion. Maybe it's your ability to love unconditionally, your kindness towards others, or your empathy. Take a moment to cherish this part of you. Now feel the warm water flow down to your solar plexus, located just above your navel. The chakra is the center of your personal power and confidence. As the water purifies this area, think of something you love about your strength and determination. It could be your resilience, your courage, or your ability to take action. Take a moment to celebrate this quality in yourself. Let the warm water continue down to your sacral chakra, located just below your navel. The chakra is associated with creativity, pleasure, and emotional balance. As the water purifies this area, think of something you love about your creativity or your ability to experience joy. Maybe it's your passion, your imagination, or your ability to embrace life's pleasures. Take a moment to honor this aspect of yourself. Finally, feel the warm water flow down to your root chakra, located at the base of your spine. The chakra represents your foundation, security, and connection to the earth. As the water purifies this area, think of something you love about your groundedness or your sense of stability. It could be your practicality, your strength, or your connection to nature. Take a moment to appreciate this part of you. Take a deep breath in, feeling the sense of self-love and compassion filling your entire being. Slowly exhale, letting go of any remaining tension or negativity. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of self-love and compassion with you throughout your day. Thank you for meditating with me. If you found this meditation therapeutic or beneficial to your well-being, subscribe to my channel, share with a friend, or leave a comment below. Your kind acts of karma help me keep this channel active and alive.